What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to delete advertising ID in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings, and then in more privacy settings scroll down and click on ads. Now here in ads, scroll down and click on delete advertising ID, and then again click on delete advertising ID to confirm. So now the advertising ID is deleted. So that's how you can delete advertising ID in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.